Hello viewers, in this video we are going to study about how does ChatGPT work. Okay, so actually ChatGPT works through its generative pre-trained transformer. Okay, this is the main thing, generative pre-trained transformer. This transformer uses specialized algorithms to find patterns within data sequences, right? And this ChatGPT originally used the GPT-3 large language model. That means a neural network machine learning model of third generation. That is the third generation of generative pre-trained transformer. So this transformer pulls from a significant amount of data to formulate a response. Okay, and ChatGPT now uses the GPT 3.5 model that includes fine-tuning process for its algorithm. Okay, so now let's come to ChatGPT Plus, which uses GPT-4, which offers a faster response time and internet plugins. Also, this GPT-4 can handle more complex tasks compared with previous models, such as describing photos, generating captions for images, and creating more detailed responses to 25,000 words. Okay, and now let us discuss in detail about the working principles of ChatGPT. So first one, the input text. Okay, input text. So ChatGPT begins by receiving a piece of text as an input. This text can be a user's question, query, or prompt, anything. Okay, any questions from the user. And second one is tokenization. The input text is divided into smaller units called tokens. Okay, tokens can be as short as one character or as long as one word. Anyway, this process breaks down the input text into manageable pieces that the model can work with, right? And come to the third mechanism, that is embedding. So each token is then converted into numerical representation that is called as embedding. Okay, so the token is converted into numerical representation. This process is known as embedding. So these embeddings capture the meaning and context of the tokens, right? And next one is the model architecture. So ChatGPT is built upon a transformer based architecture, which consists of multiple layers of attention mechanisms and feed forward neural networks, right? And next one is context understanding. As the model processes the input tokens one by one, it maintains an internal representation of context. It learns to understand the context by considering the surrounding tokens. And next one is generating the output. So after processing the input and understanding the context, then ChatGPT generates a sequence of tokens as output. This sequence typically represents a sentence or a paragraph that is relevant to the input query. So next process, the decoding process, the output sequence, which is initially in the form of tokens, and then it needs to be decoded into human readable text. This involves selecting the most likely tokens for each position in the sequence based on the model's internal representation. And come to the next process, that is the response. The decoded output becomes the chatbot's response. Okay, chatbot's response, which is then presented to the user, right? And the last one is repeat. So the conversation can continue by taking the chatbot's response as the new input and repeating the entire process. So this iterative dialogue allows users to have back and forth interactions with the chatbot. Okay viewers, thank you. Thanks for watching.